How to recover a hacked Facebook account. If your Facebook account has been hacked, don't panic. There are steps you can take to get it back. First, open the Facebook app or go to the login screen and tap Forgot Password. Enter your email or phone number, link to your account and follow the prompts to reset your password. If your login details were changed and you can't access your account, go to facebook.com/hack in the browser. From there, select My Account is Compromised and follow the recovery steps. Facebook may ask for your ID, confirm recent activity, or let you recover access using trusted contacts. Once you regain control, go to Settings. Tap Security and log in to review all active sessions. Log out of any unfamiliar devices and immediately change your password again. It's also important to turn on two-factor authentication to protect your account in the future. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.